Hey everybody, today we're going to look at the Toguard Dual 1080p Full HD dash cam. This is the dash cam that has, I think it's a 3-inch display on the front, as you can see on my hand, and you have a camera going forward and a camera going back into the cabin. 1080p on both sides. It has the G sensor, it has the parking monitor, 170-degree angle on the cameras. And I'm going to put on some footage here for you guys, and I'll tell you what I think, and I'll show you what comes in the box. Thanks for watching my 2-minute review. Here we go. This dash cam was on Amazon.com for $99.99, 1080p on the front and the back. It also has a G sensor, and a parking sensor will automatically record at twice that resolution, just in case you need it. As you can see, the kit has everything you need, and plus an extra long cord for hiding the wires if you're going to mount it permanently, which you can because it does have a stick-on windshield permanent mount, or I use the suction cup because it's easy to switch between cars. Okay, and it does have a tool inside for hiding the cords, and also a sticker and even screen protectors. So they put everything in this kit that you need. Let's look at some footage. Okay, here's some driving footage. I superimposed the smaller picture into the bigger picture because when the files come back to you in your computer, there's going to be files on the front and the rear facing camera. At even 170-degree coverage, you get very little fisheye, and that's what I really liked, because some of them are 140, some of them are a little bit bigger than 170, but you're going to get some curving of the screen. Like I said before, ease of use, I really liked it. I really enjoyed it so far. Easy to switch between cars. I think you guys will like it too. Remember, it's $99 on Amazon.com. I don't think you can go wrong with it, but look at the reviews and see for yourself. And everybody have a great day.